What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change the lacing style on your Air Jordan 11s from this to this loosely laced. In this tutorial we're going to be lacing our Air Jordan 11 low to get that great loosely laced look. So I'm going to place this one over here so we can see what we're aiming towards. And we're going to be lacing our right shoe. Now before lacing, I've already padded out the shoe with some thick socks, and I think that is key to getting those wide, loose lace loops that we're going to be making. So we're going to start first of all by taking the lace up through that first loop on the inside. Just draw it up a little way into the shoe, and then when you pass your lace across, just run it between your fingers to make sure that you're getting rid of any twists in the lace. And then we're going to take the lace up through the opposite first loop. So again, just pull it up a little way into the shoe. Make sure that your lace is nice and slack. And then we're going to make sure that we've got the same length on both sides by putting the ends together and pulling up, just like that. So we're going to continue with the outside lace. Bring it across the shoe to the second loop on the inside. And take the inside lace, bring it across to the second loop on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the third loop on the inside. Then take the inside lace across to that third loop on the outside. If you just pull your lace through your fingers as well as you take it up through the shoe as you're lacing, you'll get rid of any twists in the lace. Then take that outside lace across to the inside next loop. And take the inside lace across to the next loop on the outside, bringing it up through the loop. And then another way that you can make sure that you've got all your loops nice and loose and wide, if you just gently pull out your shoe like that, it will make sure all the loops are the same going across. Then finally take your outside lace across to that last loop on the inside, pulling your lace up through the loop. Then the inside lace comes across and comes up through the last hoop on the outside of the shoe, like that. Just turn your laces round to get that great loose lace look, and there you've got your loose lace Jordan 11 low. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Air Jordan 11 low, loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.